The story ideas were completely theirs.
Right.
It was Zoya's and Reema's story that she made. Dibakar knew that he wanted to make a Satyajit Ray story. Anurag already had a story and Karan wrote his story as well. So they were completely his stories. Yeah.
Karan actually was finishing student of the year when I had already shot. So he was in completion. So he was the last to even focus or think about what he wants to write. And he had a rough idea and he said, I want to do something with connected to music. I think for him it started there, and he wanted to do something that brings Hindi film music to it. That's what he had told me, and then he wrote something. He went to New York, wrote it, and came back. But Dibakar I knew because Dibakar told me he was adapting stuff, and Anurag had 2 stories. And he was actually pitching the story he made, the Bachchan story, to everyone else to make. And then eventually he made it himself. He was going to make another film about a couple, but then he made this one. So everybody knew, and I told them what I was making.
Right.
So we
I mean,
knew.
I don't
No,
know.
I don't think so.
No?
I know. I think the boy in my film is a little more sorted.
Okay.
Actually, than the boy in Karan's film. I think he's a little more sorted out. I think he'd deal with life very differently.
As far as I know, the films that are sent for the Oscars are not requested upon in this country. There is a wholly different way of choosing those films. Very broad and hammy symbolization. He says, na, कि I am, अब मैं यहीं रहता हूँ. While we were discussing that film, and again, this is a documentary process, we researched local Marathi theatre. And his character is based on a real theatre guru in Lal Bagh Parel, where I live, who died while performing on stage. He did Marathi theatre like Nat Samrat. He also did Gondal. Gondal is a folk Marathi. Do you guys know about it? Some, yeah. So he did both. So the fact is that a lot of local theatre, a lot of local theatre traditions have been pushed aside by the juggernaut version of Bollywood over the last 20 years. So a lot of these people feel as if they have been kind of relegated to the dustbin. So that's it. I mean, hammy symbolization, that's all.
I mean, there is no one set way to make a movie. I mean, I know people that have made movies in various ways. Today it's much easier. I think you should write a script, know what you want to do, register it, go out there, do the rounds, meet people. There's no rule. I can't give you one pattern. Just stick to what you know. Write about what you know.
मेरी तो एक ही सलाह रहेगी कि आसान नहीं है, और अगर आपको जल्दी कामयाबी ना मिले इस लाइन में तो ये याद रखिएगा कि आपके पिताजी ने आपको इंजीनियर बनने को ही कहा था, और आप अपनी इच्छा से इस लाइन में घुसे हैं, तो किसी को ब्लेम ना करें. मैं पहले से बता रहा हूँ, बहुत कंपटीशन है, और जब तक आपके अंदर का जुनून इतना स्ट्रांग ना हो कि सारी बाधाओं को वो पार कर सके, तब तक आप सक्सेसफुल फिल्म मेकर नहीं बन सकते. तो अगर आए तो जुनून से आए, किसी की नकल करने ना आए कि मेरे को उस तरह का फिल्म मेकर बनना है, मेरे को स्टार के साथ मेरे को दिखना है, मेरे को इतने पैसे कमाने हैं. फिल्म मेकर्स फिल्म बनाते हैं और इसलिए वो आते हैं फिल्म बनाना. तो अंदर का जो जुनून है वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, उसके बिना नहीं बन सकती फिल्म. उसके बिना मैं एडवाइस करूँगा कि आप अच्छी नौकरी करें, MBA करें और अच्छी फैमिली बनाएं और अपना टाइम करें, लेकिन फिल्म मेकिंग इज़ नॉट ईजी. राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग फॉर माई नेक्स्ट फिल्म, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हेन वी कैन सॉर्ट ऑफ